slightly shift our attention. The Congress party, as you know, claims to be the sole custodian of the rights of the Muslim community. Many leaders of the Congress party have said that Congress means Muslims and vice versa. But when Congress leaders dissent, you know what they face? They face dhamki, threat. There is not 1 ounce of muhabbat in what Shakil Ahmed or Rashid Alvi have been facing. Shakil Ahmed has gone on record to say that the Congress leadership has incited their rank and file in Bihar to go after him. They have been branded, both Shakil Ahmed and Rashid Alvi, senior leaders of the Congress party. They've served the party for so long. They've been branded as traitors. Their dissent has been called as treachery. Can you believe it? Nikhil, let's open this up. Dr. Ajay Alok, national spokesperson of the BJP. He is joining us on the first debate. Nikhil, Vivek Srivastava, Tushar, Professor Mondal, they're still here with us. Nikhil, aap hi bata dijiye. Anyone, you will say that we want Muslim votes. But इनके views को कौन address करेगा?
Pranesh, the two individuals that you're talking about are individuals who, one of them won their last election in the year 1999. The other one won his last election in the year 2004. They were senior leaders of the Congress. They contributed to the party. They contributed to public life. But that doesn't mean that every view they hold should be given heed to. At the end of the day, this is a political party. It's an evolving organization. A generation change will happen. Newer leaders will come in. The voices of Muslims are still very strong in the Congress party, as they've been since before independence and continuing after that. The Congress still raises the issues of Muslims as they do of Hindus, as they do of all the communities in the country.
Yeah, they have now become, what is loosely referred to as Sarkari Muslim. Somebody will brand them as Sangi Muslim. That Shakil Ahmed, how dare he say anything against Rahul Gandhi or the Congress High Command? Vivek Srivastava ji, sir, what is happening in the Congress party?
देखिए, nothing is happening in the Congress party. Party is out of power. जिंदगी पर मलाई खाई कांग्रेस के नाम पे. प्रणब मुखर्जी ने मलाई खाई, प्रेसिडेंट बने. जब टेन्योर खत्म हो गया, चले गए संघ के मुख्यालय में मत्था टेकने. I mean, this is ungratefulness. गुलाम नबी आजाद, the whole life he was a minister. बैठते थे प्राइम मिनिस्टर के साथ, one of the close confidants. उसके बाद बोलते हैं साहब, everything is bad in the Congress. ये शकील अहमद कितनी बार मंत्री बने हैं, कितना पावरफुल आदमी था. आज आपको फॉल्ट फाइंडिंग आ रही है क्योंकि आपकी पार्टी पावर में नहीं है. I mean, all these guys are just, I do not know what to call them. आप नई जनरेशन को आने दीजिए ना. 70 प्लस सारे हो गए हो. बीजेपी में 70 प्लस चल जाएगा, वो सत्ता में है. जिस दिन सत्ता में नहीं होंगे वहां भी यही होगा. जितने आप लोग जब सीनियर हो चुके हैं, let the youngsters come up in the Congress.
Rahul Gandhi senior हो चुके हैं नहीं. Are you referring to Rahul Gandhi? Is Rahul Gandhi senior enough to make way for youngsters, or is he young?
भाई Rahul Gandhi, black belt in Aikido, his energy level with the
sir, black belt से democracy में क्या करना है sir? If he is black belt, send him to Olympics. Why? What is he doing in elections in parliament? Black belt से क्या मतलब है विवेक श्रीवास्तव?
अब आपने बदल दिया सवाल. आपने मुझसे सीनियरिटी पूछी थी, मैंने फिजिकल सीनियरिटी बता दी आपको. आप चलो ना हजारों किलोमीटर राहुल गांधी की तरह. आप घूमो ना सर्दी में टी शर्ट पहन के. आप के अंदर आप करो ब्लैक बेल्ट बनो ना.
मेरे पास भी गांधी सरनेम होता, नहीं, मेरे पास अगर गांधी सरनेम होता तो मैं 1000 किलोमीटर भी चलता, 1,00,000 किलोमीटर बाहर भी जाता. मैं वियतनाम जाता, कोलंबिया जाता. मैं भी घूमना चाहता हूं सर, लेकिन सरनेम का प्रॉब्लम है ना. आपका नाम भी अगर कुछ और होता, विवेक श्रीवास्तव नहीं, आप विवेक गांधी होते, तो आप भी घूम रहे होते. अभी आप यहां नहीं होते. और टी शर्ट पहन लीजिए आप. एंड इफ a black belt is political pedigree, then I don't know what to say. अजय आलोक, कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है मोहब्बत की दुकान है. दो नेताओं ने कह दिया कि देखिए कांग्रेस पार्टी मुसलमानों को यूज करती है, तो उनको ट्रेटर्स बोल दिया.
देखिए प्रणेश, उधार के गांधी विदेश भी घूमेंगे, उधार के गांधी देश में 2-3 हजार किलोमीटर पैदल भी चलेंगे. ओरिजिनल गांधी जैसे तुषार गांधी और विवेक श्रीवास्तव अगर गांधी होते ओरिजिनल, तो ये यही बैठ के जुगाली करते रहते जैसे अभी कर रहे हैं. The fact is, he's talking about a young generation. Let the young generation come. How long we are going to see the young generations? 22-year-old in politics, still a young generation. Don't you understand? It's a disaster. who always crashes during takeoff. Landing का तो बात ही नहीं हुआ है. He is never able to take off and never in the orbit. Good enough for us. We want him to be like that for the next 40 years for the Congress. And that's what Akhilesh said today. He just have hope from Mamta Didi, no one else. Monajit must be very happy about this comment from Akhilesh. And as far as Shakeel Ahmed goes, let me tell you, my dear friend, he was BPCC president. He was 3 times minister in Bihar government, and he has contributed a lot to the party. He was a minister in the Narasimha government, and not because of the Congress party, but still because he is Shakeel Ahmed.
Professor Mondal,
Please learn to give respect. Otherwise, why you are keeping Punrai?
is this how, leaders should be treated? Traitors.
I don't know why are you worked up. It's the problem of the Congress party. BJP has got the tendency of, behaving like voyeurs. अरे आपने घर में झांक के देखो क्या क्या हो रही है, दूसरे घर में क्यों झांक रहे हो? ये आपका बहुत ये बैड हैबिट है आप लोगों का. लेट देम हैंडल देयर प्रॉब्लम्स. और आप क्या उनको फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेज रहे हो शकील अहमद को? आर यू ट्राइंग टू सेंड फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट टू हिम दैट आओ जैसे आप करते हो सीबीआई, ईडी और इनकम टैक्स को लेके? यू यूज दीज टूल्स टू सेंड फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट. God knows you have something against this person also. I mean.
Okay, now you are doubting the integrity of Shakeel Ahmed. Well said. आपको लग रहा है कि he is saying this because someone has asked him to say this. Tushar?
I just want to tell everyone on this panel, be it my friend Nikhil, be it Mr. Vivek Srivastava, be it Monajit Mandal, the Congress party is such that if you just do not toe the line even once, you'll be thrown out of the party. Rashid Alvi, who Vivek Srivastava is saying, Malai Thai, party satta mein nahi hai, to aise bolne lage, waise bolne lage. Rashid Alvi, until a week ago, was defending Rahul Gandhi on Times Now. His bite was being played in one of the morning broadcasts. What are they even saying? The same people have campaigned for the party, for the Congress in Bihar in the recent assembly elections. And I want to tell my good friend Nikhil this. Today, you might want to laugh at what's happening to Rashid Alvi. You might want to laugh at what happened to Gulab Nabi Azad or to any of the senior members of the Congress. But let's remember, Sonia Gandhi is also one of the senior members of the Congress. Where is her accountability, Mr. Vivek Srivastava? Rahul Gandhi is also a senior member of the Congress. He's been leading the party indirectly for 20 years. Where is his accountability?
नहीं मलाई खाना मतलब क्या हुआ विवेक श्रीवास्तव? मलाई खाना डायनेस्टी की मलाई कौन खा रहा है? डायनेस्टी की मलाई कौन खा रहा है?
नहीं डायनेस्टी की मलाई क्या? उन्होंने प्रेसिडेंट मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे को बनाया है, ये उनकी पार्टी का अफेयर है. अगर लोग पसंद करके 100 सीटें फिर भी दे रहे हैं, आपके पेट में क्यों दर्द हो रहा है? अगर
नहीं सर, मेरे पेट में दर्द नहीं हो रहा. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं दैट कांग्रेस पार्टी, 1 मिनट सर, इट इज अबाउट वॉकिंग द टॉक. अगर मैं हर रोज सबको कुछ बोलूं कि आई एम होलियर देन दाओ, एंड इफ आई डोंट एक्ट अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल क्वेश्चन माय हिपोक्रेसी. राहुल गांधी सेज कांग्रेस पार्टी इज मोहब्बत की दुकान. वन कमेंट बाय शकील अहमद एंड ही इज बीइंग ब्रांडेड एज ट्रेटर. आप बोल रहे हैं इतने साल सर्व किया. Is this how you talk to, talk about your ex-colleagues?
Mr. Shakeel Ahmed, whatever be the party, has used very wrong, unparliamentary words for the leader of his party. It should not be done. Even if he has said this against Rashid Alvi, I would have still said.
Okay, Dr. Ajay Alot, maybe you can, जैसे Professor Mondal बोल रहे हैं, you can send a friend request to Shakeel Ahmed. और वो जो आप लोग करते हैं एमिनेंट पर्सनालिटी ज्वाइनिंग द बीजेपी, वो करवा लीजिएगा अगले 1-2 दिन में. एंड देन फ्रॉम द बीजेपी स्टेज मिस्टर शकील अहमद कैन से व्हाट ही वांट्स टू.
Pranesh, I'll ask Monajit Mandal what we should do if tomorrow Abhishek Banerjee sends us a friend request. Accept? All hypothetical questions.
चलिए सर, as long as requests are friendly, it's okay. We don't want a situation where the chief minister barges in when the ED is conducting raids. वो कोई friendly entry नहीं थी. But we've run out of time. I thank all of you for joining us, viewers. The news are coming up with Navita Kumar on the other side.